Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database. UFO report just came into MUFON that's quite interesting. Two white glowing orbs in the daytime flying through the sky over the trees. And this is over Clayville, New York. Yes, you heard me right, New York. It happened on September 2nd. And the video is quite amazing. If it was CGI, normally CGI only lasts about 10 seconds. This is nearly a whole minute. It's 56 seconds. So I'm pretty certain it's the real thing. It's real deal. It's just absolutely amazing. Tell me your thoughts and comments in the comment section below the video. Also, there is no sound with this video, so sorry about that. I'll just let it go natural, and you tell me your thoughts at the end. Thank you very much.